friends, welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. We are here at Hallock's U-Pick Farm in New Egypt, New Jersey. We love this farm because they have plenty of varieties of vegetables and fruits. They even have some delicious peach cider. It's a nice sunny day. Spring is the best time to pick fresh fruits. Are you wondering what fruit we will be picking today? Today we are picking some delicious strawberries. Come along with us. We are here at the strawberry patch now. Time to get our hands dirty. Looks like my mom found the best plant with lots of ripe strawberries. Oh no, a strawberry fell down. Don't worry, Mom, we can pick it up and there are plenty of strawberries left. Looks like our little chef is here to pick the perfect strawberries for the perfect recipes we have decided to make for you. Looks like that strawberry is not the best one. No hard feelings, strawberry. Ooh, looks like this strawberry doesn't want to leave home. Let's look at how many strawberries we have collected. Let me tell you, those are the best strawberries. Whoa, those are a lot of strawberries. They might be close to 9 pounds. Let's take these freshly picked strawberries to our kitchen to make some very strawberry recipes. Stay connected with us and be the detective. Uncover the strawberry recipes. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!